This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 2, Coding with Angry Birds, Puzzle 9. Keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Alright, so we have win, run. Remember, here's the blocks we can use. This is our workspace, so I drag the code I want, and then this is how many blocks they want me to use. 9 or less. I currently have 2. Okay, so I'm going to move forward, and code always runs in order. I'm going to try to turn right and then move forward a few. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. And the nice thing about code is it is so okay to be wrong. You can just go back and start messing around and fixing it. It's called a bug, and it's okay to have bugs. You just gotta go back and debug. Like, what? Awesome! Cool. And I did it right within 9, so move forward, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's so cool. And if I wanted to use less blocks, we haven't learned about the repeat block yet, but notice I have moved forward here 4 times. Well, I can use a repeat block, and I did have 9 blocks, but now I can get rid of all of these, put a 4 here for move forward, and it's going to be the same. I'll still move forward 4 times here, because it goes around and around. Watch. And instead of using 9 blocks, I got rid of 3 move forwards, and that takes me to 7, because I added this 1 pink repeat block. So now I did even in less blocks. We'll learn more about repeat as we go. But, ta-da! Successful over the evil pig empire. Let's keep going.